In this video, we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of a number by using a very special method. It is called the upside down division method or the short division method. In this method, you have to pick up a smallest prime number which will divide the given number absolutely, leaving remainder 0. So we know our prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these are the prime numbers. We will select the smallest prime number. So let's go over and learn it.
Prime factorization. So children, we have learned factorization. That means changing a number into its factors. Now we are going to learn prime factorizations. So let us first list out a few prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. All the composite numbers can be expressed as the product of their prime numbers. The first composite number is 4. So we will do a short division. This is the sign for the short division. We will pick up a prime number with which 4 is divisible. So the prime number is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. The next composite number is 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. The next composite number is 8. We will pick up a prime number with which 8 is divisible. So the prime number is 2. 2 4s are 8. Now children, 4 is a composite number. So we will divide 4 once again. 4 is divisible by a prime number 2. 2 2s are 4. Now this number, and this number. All three numbers are prime. So 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now children, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So 8 has been changed into its prime factors. After that, the next composite number is 9. So with which prime number is 9 completely divisible? That prime number is 3. So 3 3s are 9. Children, this is also prime and this is also prime. So 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. So 9 is a product of the two prime numbers. Okay, the next composite number is 10. Let us change it as a product of two prime numbers or more than two prime numbers. So the number with which 10 is completely divisible is 2. 2 5s are 10. Now 2 is also prime and 5 is also prime. So 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. The next composite number is 12. Now the smallest prime number with which 12 can be completely divided is 2. 2 6s are 12. Now 6 is a composite number, so we will again divide 6 by a prime number. 2 3s are 6. Now children, these three numbers are prime. So 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. We have multiplied this 2 and this 3. So that is how we got 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. The next composite number is 14. So let us pick up a prime number with which 14 can be completely divided. That prime number is 2. 2 sevens are 14. Now beta 2 is also prime and 7 is also prime. So we can express 14 as a product of two prime numbers, that is 2 and 7. So 14 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. After 14, the next composite number is 15. Now think of the smallest prime number with which 15 can be completely divided. It's an odd number, so it cannot be divided by 2. But it can be divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Now children, 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So we have expressed 15 as a multiple of two prime numbers. The next composite number is 16. Now we will divide it by the smallest prime number with which it can be divided completely. That is 2. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 is a composite number. So again we will divide 8 by a prime number with which it can be fully divided. Now 2 4s are 8. Now 4 is also a composite number. So again we have to do it. 2 2s are 4. Now 16 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now see children, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So that is how 16 has been converted into 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 16 we have changed it into all prime factors. So children, please see, 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Both are prime numbers, right? They are prime. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 is also prime and 3 is also prime. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. All are prime. 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Again prime. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 2 is also prime and 5 is also prime. 12. See children, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 also we have changed into its prime factors. Now 14. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. So both 2 and 7 both are prime numbers. 15. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 3 is also prime and 5 is also prime. So all composite numbers can be expressed as a product of two or more than two prime numbers. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.